Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start with a timed diagnostic GRE quantitative section to identify strengths and weaknesses. Complete one official ETS practice section under strict timing to get an accurate baseline score. Aim for baseline score and note topics with error rates over 25% so you know where to focus. Set a realistic target score and plan backward from the test date, allocating more weeks to weak topics. Record your starting score, target score, and a schedule that increases intensity in the final 4 weeks before the exam. Create a weekly study plan that dedicates 10-15 hours per week to math and problem solving, split into skill review, practice sets, and timed sections. Use official ETS practice tests, a math review book, and 10-15 targeted practice problems daily to build accuracy and speed. Rotate topics: algebra, arithmetic, geometry, data interpretation, and probability to avoid gaps. Include one full-length practice test every 10-14 days to track progress. Then spend the next 2 days reviewing every missed question in detail and updating your error log. Practice full-length timed sections, including 2 35-minute quantitative sections per test day, so you become comfortable with pacing and mental fatigue. Review every mistake and categorize errors: conceptual, calculation, timing, or careless, then create mini-lessons to correct patterns. Use targeted drills for weak areas and timed sets to improve time per question. On test day, bring acceptable ID, arrive 30 minutes early, and manage pacing at 5 minutes per easy question and up to 3 minutes for harder ones. Skip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.